Hello everyone, let's solve this interesting brain test today. We have a numeric series and we need to complete this numeric series. We have 5, 5, 10, 30, 120 and we need to find the last number of this numeric series. So right here we have a lot of options A, B, C and D. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and real quick try to solve it by yourself, and after 20 seconds we will check our answer. It will be more interesting for you, so put one option and write your answer in a comment. So we have 5, 5, 10, 30 and 120. What is the pattern between all of these numbers? I hope you see right now that the pattern between these numbers is the next one. So if we multiply the first number by which number? By 1. If we multiply 5 by 1, we will have 5, because 5 times 1, it will be equal to 5. So if we multiply the first number by 1, we will have the second number. Take a look next. If we multiply this 5 by which number? Of course by 2. So if we multiply this number by 2, because 5 times 2, it will be equal to 10, we will have the third number. So as you can see, first number multiplying by 1, we will have second number multiplying by 2, we will have the third one. But what about the fourth number? What is the pattern between third and fourth number? Of course, if we multiply this 10 by 3, we will have 30, because 10 times 3, it will be equal to 30. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, there is a real good pattern for us, because right here if we will have 4, so if we multiply right here by 4, it will be correct. It is good for us, because 30 times 4, it will be 120. So as you can see, 30 times 4, it will be 120. So this pattern works in all cases. Right here, and right here. This is good for us. So we need to multiply this number by which one? Of course by 5, because there is an order of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if we multiply it, so if we multiply 120 by 5, we will have, of course, 600, and this is our answer. So the last number is 600. What about you? Write your suggestion in comment, write your answer in comment. It is the same or not the same. Maybe you have another pattern between all of these numbers. It will be really interesting to read about it. And of course, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, I really appreciate it. And of course, thank you and have a great day.